Hello and welcome to this new video on how to change email in Agoda. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first thing that you need to do is open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser there is a search bar. Just click on it and you just have to type Agoda and press enter in the keyboard. Now the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result. And when you click on it, then the Agoda website will be shown to you. And when you are inside this website, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be a circular icon. Just click on it and a pop-up box will appear. And inside the My Account section, you just have to look towards the bottom. There will be profile. So you just have to click on the profile, and profile section will be appeared right in front of you and under the user details. And on the second option, it says email. So if you look other sections like name and phone number and look on the right hand side of them, there will be an add or edit button. But when you look on the email section, there isn't any edit button or add button. So that means that you won't be able to change email in Agoda. So if you want to change email, then you just have to create a new account by using a new email. So to conclude, you want to be able to change email in Agoda. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.